In this lesson, we will be learning our next chord, which is called E minor. To play the chord E minor, we put our third finger in the fourth fret on the second string, which is the C string. Then we place our second finger in the third fret on the third string, which is the E string. And finally, we place our first finger in the second fret on the fourth string, which is the A string. When playing the chord E minor, you can play all the strings. So let's play the chord E minor 4 times together using strum 1, which is down, down, up. And we will be starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor.